A chef all the way from Sicily is teaching Texans how to cook some authentic Italian food. You got to get this going, right?
Yes, Annalisa Pompeo with GoSicily is on her fall Texas tour right now. What brings you to the United States?
First of all, thank you guys for inviting me. I'm super excited. I'm in Texas, in Bryan, thanks to my friend Margie Montalbano. She's a travel agent. She owns Andiamo Travel, and she arranges travel all over, but she's specialized in Sicily and Italy. So I'm a chef. I do cooking classes and food tours in Agrigento area, that is south of Sicily. Even if I didn't study as a chef, I'm an accountant, but this is a long story.
So you come and you have parties in different people's homes. I know you just came from Dallas. You're in Bryan right now, and you have lots of menu items. Today, you're going to show us how to make homemade pasta.
Of course, I'm showing you homemade pasta that is so different from the idea that people maybe have to make pasta, because in Sicily, we don't use eggs to make our pasta dough. So we only use semolina flour, water, and a little bit of extra virgin olive oil.
Wow, 3 ingredients, that's it.
That's
Three
it.
ingredients
Wow.
to make a shape of pasta that is typical of my area, and is called cavatelli.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Okay, let's do it.
Ready.
Let's do it.
All right.
Yes.
So, like you see, this flour is more like a corn flour, but is a semolina. Semolina comes from durum wheat, and Sicily is very well known about durum wheat because is the weather that make the difference, right? So we start just making a hole or a volcano like Etna that we have in Sicily, the biggest volcano in Europe, and we just try to make this dough that the final consistency we are looking for is more like Play-Doh, you know?
Okay.
Like a Play-Doh. So we start making a little bit of water, little by little. The doses are more like a cup of flour, half cup of water, so very firm. Right? We don't need pasta machines. Even if you want, you could put everything in the food processor on the hook, you know, the KitchenAid. So what we need to do is just pressing and collecting all this flour in this way. So no eggs. So this pasta is vegan. Right?
Okay,
It's
yeah.
a vegan pasta.
And it's unbleached flour.
Bravissima, is unbleached. Do you know what that exactly means? That